Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet K2500 Scottsdale 3/4 ton 4x4 truck, $2,950, Abrams, Wisconsin. This 1988 Chevrolet K2500 Scottsdale represents one of the last great square-body pickups. Powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it shows 136,396 actual miles. The truck runs smoothly after a recent tune-up, and the four-wheel drive system functions perfectly. While it carries some rust, the frame remains solid, remarkable for a Midwest survivor. The interior, though imperfect, is well above average, and amenities like an aftermarket radio and a bedliner make it a ready-to-drive workhorse or restoration base. Number 2. 1989 Dodge D150 Long Bed, $6,000, Hillsboro, Oregon. This 1989 Dodge D150 Long Bed is a clean, rust-free survivor with only 107,086 miles. It features the 360 V8 electronic fuel injection engine mated to an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives very well, benefiting from recent maintenance including new brakes and shocks. The silver paint presents nicely, and the clean title makes it a hassle-free classic. As Dodge pickups from the 1980s become rarer, this example offers strong mechanical integrity and honest, original character. Number 3. 1988 Jeep Comanche Laredo truck, $9,999, Palm Springs, California. An exceptionally preserved 1988 Jeep Comanche Laredo, this rare collector's truck features a 4.0-liter inline-six engine and automatic transmission. It is entirely original, from the burgundy paint to the stock wheels and removable camper shell. With 121,938 miles and single ownership history, this Comanche has lived a pampered life in a garage and remains leak-free. Known for its durability and unique design, this Jeep bridges utility and sportiness, perfect for enthusiasts seeking originality and preservation. Number 4. 1979 Ford F250 4x4, $8,000, Richfield, Idaho. This 1979 Ford F250 4x4 comes equipped with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine and manual transmission. While the odometer is broken, it's estimated to have around 100,000 miles. The truck is described as being in fair condition, but solid examples of late 1970s highboy-style Fords are increasingly sought after. Its classic design, combined with rugged 4x4 capability, makes it ideal for enthusiasts seeking a restorable workhorse or vintage off-roader. Number 5. 1982 Ford F100, $6,500, Two Rivers, Wisconsin. A remarkably clean 1982 Ford F100, powered by the durable 300 cubic inch straight-six engine and automatic C6 transmission. With only 94,000 miles, it's still used as a reliable daily driver, covering up to 500 miles weekly. Everything functions flawlessly, from brakes to wipers, and it boasts a tight, quiet ride. Rated for up to 10,000 pounds towing capacity, this truck offers both vintage charm and modern usability. A rare example of an early 1980s Ford truck that needs no excuses. Number 6. 1951 Chevrolet pickup 1/2 ton, $7,500, Old Colorado City, Colorado. This 1951 Chevrolet half-ton pickup retains its original inline-six engine, paired with a 4-speed manual. Showing only 41,000 miles, it runs and drives with very minimal rust, an impressive feat for a vehicle of this age. The seller includes extra parts and badges, making it a strong candidate for restoration. These early post-war Chevys are known for their timeless design and straightforward mechanics, making this one a desirable vintage foundation. Number 7. 1981 Ford LN700 Firetruck, $8,000, Brookfield, Wisconsin. An intriguing 1981 Ford LN700 Firetruck with only 16,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 429 cubic inch V8 big block and a 5-speed manual transmission with a 2-speed rear end. The truck is in great mechanical condition and even retains its functional lights and 1,000-gallon water tank. Perfect for collectors of vintage service vehicles or anyone seeking a unique showpiece that embodies the golden era of American municipal machinery. Number 8. 1961 Chevrolet Apache, $9,000, Hudson, Wisconsin. This 1961 Chevrolet Apache presents in excellent condition with a freshly built 350 cubic inch small block V8, producing about 300 horsepower. Equipped with an aluminum intake, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and 4-speed manual transmission, it offers both classic looks and modernized power. Originally from Tulsa, Oklahoma, it's a rust-free Southern survivor. With clean body lines and new engine receipts, it's ready for enthusiasts seeking performance and vintage appeal. Number 9. 1989 Ford F250 4x4 Lariat, $6,500, Edgewood, New Mexico. The 1989 Ford F250 Lariat Crew Cab 4x4 comes powered by a fuel-injected 460 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. With 125,650 miles, it has received new parts, including a radiator, wiring harness, and fuel pumps. The 4-bod works perfectly, though the rear tank requires cleaning. It runs and drives well, offering both size and capability. This heavy-duty classic represents peak late 80s Ford utility and comfort in one package. Number 10. 1977 Ford F250, $7,800, Aurora, Colorado. A true Colorado native, this 1977 Ford F250 Highboy features a 460 cubic inch V8 and NP435 4-speed manual transmission with NP205 transfer case. Recently serviced with new fluids, brake components, windows, and electrical repairs, it's mechanically refreshed and highway ready. With solid Spicer hubs, D44 front and D60 rear axles, this truck is built for durability. A fine example of a late 1970s Ford 4x4 that blends originality and capability. Number 11. 1989 Chevrolet 3500 Flatbed Dump, $7,000, Sea Canyon, California. This 1989 Chevrolet 3500 Flatbed Dump truck has 176,000 miles and a clean title. Powered by a dependable V8 and automatic transmission, it was used mainly as a ranch and firewood delivery truck. Featuring a custom flatbed dump with fold-down sides, lumber rack, and winch, it's extremely practical. Mechanically sound with nearly new tires and valid registration through 2026, this is an ideal heavy-duty vintage work truck with great functionality. Number 12. 1973 International Harvester 3/4 ton 4x4, $800, Wamego, Kansas. This 1973 International Harvester 1210 is a 3/4 ton 4x4 pickup, equipped with a 345 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Currently in project condition, the engine and transmission are in the bed, but reportedly run. Though it was used for parts, the body panels remain intact. At only $800, this truck represents a rare opportunity to restore one of the most rugged and distinctive American pickups of the 1970s. Number 13. 1938 Plymouth PT57 half-ton pickup, $16,500, Tucson, Arizona. A remarkable survivor from pre-war America, this 1938 Plymouth PT57 half-ton pickup features an upgraded 217 cubic inch flathead 6-cylinder engine from a 1950 Plymouth. With a 3-speed transmission and solid body on a 116-inch wheelbase, it retains its original headliner, door upholstery, and tailgate. Though some glass is cracked and instruments need repair, it's one of only 5,434 built, an extremely rare find. Its solid Western provenance and authentic character make it a collector's dream.